How to change your Apple ID without losing data.
Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to walk you through the process of changing your Apple ID without losing any of your data. Apple ID is an essential part of using any Apple device or service, and it's critical to follow the steps correctly to avoid any disruptions.
What is an Apple ID?
An Apple ID is your personal account for Apple services like the App Store, iCloud, iMessage, and FaceTime. It's more than just a simple login, as it also syncs and secures your personal data across devices. So, when you change your Apple ID, it's crucial to ensure you don't lose your data in the process.
When should I change my Apple ID?
You might want to change your Apple ID if your current ID is an old email address you no longer use, or if it's tied to an email account that you want to separate from your Apple account for privacy or security reasons. Remember, changing your Apple ID does not delete your data, but it does move it, so it's important to follow the steps correctly.
How do I change my Apple ID?
Before you start, make sure you sign out of every Apple service and device that uses your Apple ID. Here are the steps to change your Apple ID. 1. Sign out of all devices and services. This includes your iPhone, iPad, Mac, iCloud, iMessage, App Store, etc. It's crucial because it ensures your data will sync with your new Apple ID when you sign back in. 2. Go to appleid.apple.com. Enter your current Apple ID and password to log in. 3. Click Edit in the Account section. It's typically in the upper right corner of the page. 4. Change your Apple ID. Under the Apple ID section, click Change Apple ID, enter the new email address you want to use, and click Continue. 5. Verify your new Apple ID. Check your email for a verification code from Apple, enter it in the provided space, and click Verify. 6. Sign back into your devices and services using your new Apple ID. This will ensure your data syncs back to your devices. Please note, don't delete your old email account until you have confirmed that your data is synced with your new Apple ID. And that's it. Changing your Apple ID can seem like a daunting task, but if you follow these steps carefully, you can do it without losing your data. As always, remember to keep your Apple ID secure to protect your personal information. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful.